Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Krishna Flute Academy. So you might be surprised to see me that I am in car and I am recording a video. My dear friends, my dear students, see, we all are busy. We all are running. We are all are occupied with a couple of activities where we promised, but our practice is our practice. We have to do our practice. That is same like that we do all the other activities along with that my practice. So how could it be possible? So I thought, why not to create a video for this reason. So let me share my emotions, my ideas. How can I manage my time and invest it to practice? Okay, how can I manage my time and make myself available for practice? Here, from today's onwards, I will create couple of more videos regarding these topics, because everybody used to say, including me, we need to practice. But how can we manage our time? There are a couple of things. As example, do you have flute with you? Can you carry the flute with you? Suppose you went some places, some vacations. Can you carry the flute? If I do carry my flute is everywhere, can I practice that? Here is the question. May not. Definitely we cannot. So there are a couple of things. See, one thing is flute playing. You are playing flute, okay, fine. So we are learning flute, but we are learning music also. As a flute player, I am not only playing flute. I am a musician too. I am learning music, and in this domain, the flute is a chapter. I am doing it. So you need to understand this first. So if we are a student of music, not only students of flute, so definitely here's some question is coming, that we suppose you love the sound, you may love the sound of flute. That's the reason you are learning, right? You purchase flute and you are you have started playing flute, right? That is some, definitely this could be the reason. Some beautiful song which touched your heart. That's the reason you have started. It started with a love towards it. And during the sessions, during the practice, during the learning procedures, you may not get the time. So always, everywhere, it is not possible to carry the flute for you. So what you should do when you don't have the flute? I told, you have carried your flute and you may not be able to play the flute, but you are a student of music. You should have to practice the music. You should have to practice the music. Now, in music, if we say the major point of music is tal. Okay. You should have to first focus on that. If you are weak, if you feel you are weak in this chapter, first you should have to focus on this to improve your tal. So how can you do this? See, everything around our world, everything is going in a tal. We need to observe it. We need to observe. We need to open our ear. So when a music is playing, you need to find out the tal. Can you clap on this music? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, or maybe 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Can you able to find the tal? Suppose you cannot able to find the tal. Ask your Guruji, sir, what is the tal? It can be difficult, right? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. It may be you do not know that rhythm, but most of the songs are based on maybe 4 by 4. Maybe you can clap 1, 2, 3. This 3 by 4 or 6 by 8, but you can clap it. like we are going to mandir, we definitely can clap, right, with the songs, right? Nobody told us, but we can clap. So same like that, try to put just beat, try to play beat with this song. If you can do this, your first and foremost work is done. You can identify the beat. Now this is your first observation. This is supposed to be your first observation. Now coming towards practice. Suppose here in this video I'm trying to pointing out tal sections. How can you practice when the flute is not with you, the metronome is not with you? How can you practice the music? Suppose metronome is not there, but our body is metronome. When you are walking, it is a metronome. If it is not in a proper rhythm, we cannot walk. See how God created us. Everything is in rhythmic. Now if you observe, you're walking, say 1, 2, 3, 4 on each shape. That means you are saying sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. First step sa, then second re, then ga ma pa dha. Every step you say word, you say this word in every step. Now second is every step says 2 words. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. So this is the major basic way of learning music. Not only flute. You are definitely learning flute, but always think for the bigger chapter. Think for you are a student of music, not only student of flute. If you can think that, then your half of the job is done. You practice this when you walk, when you observe a song. Can you give a clap? Can you walk during the walking? Can you say sa re ga ma, then speed up. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa ni dha, one step. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. If you can say so, you definitely can play it. Okay, this is the first chapter of when the flute is not with you. How to practice. When the flute is not with you, how you can practice. Okay, this is the chapter 1. I will definitely come up with couple of more videos on this chapter, because this is important. This is important. See you coming up with couple of more videos on this. Thank you so much. Bye bye.